Ibrahim says, please shed some light on Zodiac personality traits. Not horoscope that predicts future, but Zodiac personality that categorizes people according to their Zodiac. Most Muslim youth now follow this, not as a future prediction on people's lives, but as a way of understanding their personality. Kindly research it, how it's used by the youth, and shed some light. Wallahi, akhi, Ibrahim, I have no time to search for this thing. I don't have time to do research. But if I understand your question, there are 12 zodiacs, as they say, and they claim that the month or the zodiac you're born under has impact on your personality. Now, the mushriks say that it has impact on your future. So if you're a scorpion or a bull or a donkey or whatever zodiacs you are born under, then this impacts your future. So you will have this and that happening to you in the month of December, in February, etc., according to your study of your zodiac. And this is total shirk. This is claiming to know the unseen and to know the ghaib, which only Allah knows. And it is illogical that if on this particular day 5 million people were born, it's illogical that 5 million people would have the same fate and the same prediction of their future. It's totally illogical. Likewise, claiming that because you were born under the particular zodiac, this means that your personality is a soft-spoken person, that is easily touched, and people can take advantage of your kindness, is this and that, and people believe this. Imagine that all 5 million who were born at the same day, on the same day at the same time, must share the same traits, as they say. This is illogical, it is un-Islamic, and to believe in it, it would be like fortune telling. And the people don't only stop here. They come and tell you that, okay, through your handwriting, we can predict your personality. Through your fingerprints, we can predict your personality. Through the way you choose your clothes and the decoration of your home, all of this is part of fortune telling and soothsaying, and it's totally prohibited. Only people with low IQ and little intellectual powers would believe in such nonsense.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a SADAQAH JARIYAH, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.